Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Family Night. This is Mr. Robbie. How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's been doing great. Today, we are going to make our own water bottle galaxies. Isn't that pretty cool? In this one, we need just a water bottle. We need some paints. And these are kids' washable paints. Let's see, we got some cotton balls. Let's see, we got some glitter. Woo! And lots of paints. And this one I'm adding pom-poms. Make it more colorful. And also add bonus, we add a little sequence as well. So this is going to be a fun craft. My niece really loved it, so she was all excited about it. So first we're going to get started. Okay, so we're going to start with a water bottle, an empty water bottle. It's been emptied, cleaned out. First, what we're going to do, I'm going to get some pom-poms. I can also use regular cotton balls. I add a little color to it, so I'm adding pom-poms to it to give it a cool color effect. It doesn't matter what colors you use. You can use like totally different colors, random. Be out of this world. Okay, so we got this going. We're going to use a straw or something long. We're going to push down as much as you can. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add glitter to it. In this case, we're going to put the glitter in here. For something like this, you probably need to have an area that's so get the glitter all over the table. So maybe have like maybe napkins or something nearby, just in case it gets messy. You can just wipe it out. It's easy to wipe down. I'm not gonna be perfect, but I'll try it. Love that sound, right? That sounds good. Really great. Okay. So we got the glitter. So now I'm going to use one of our paints. So I'm going to use the red paint. I had it in the cup already. I'm going to bend the cup a little bit. So it might be a little bit messy. And we're going to start pouring. Okay, let's see if we can get a lot of it in there. Okay, so now there you go. Some of the thicker paint got stuck in the bottom. So, oops. So now we're going to see how that's coming on. Isn't that pretty cool? Now we're going to add another set of pom-poms, but instead of using pom-poms, I'm going to use cotton balls for this one, for the second part. So I got some cotton. I'm going to push it down. This is a great summer craft to do as well. I think kids will have a lot of fun doing this one. Okay. We'll add a little bit more cotton balls. Okay. So we got this part. You can also use different colors. For mine, I'm using blue, green, and kind of like a pink color. But you can use different varieties of colors. It's still gonna look pretty cool. Okay, so now we're going to add the blue. Kids, this looks so cool, but don't drink this. This is paint, and even though it looks pretty, it's not drinkable. Beware of that. Okay. All right, so we got that color going. So now we're going to add more glitter to it. Coming along. Awesome. Okay. Okay. So now on the third row, we're going to add more pom-poms. If you chose to do cotton balls, that's fine as well. But I'm going to do different colors because the galaxy is filled with many colors. Okay, this is coming out neat. Oops. Okay. I think we got that. Now we're going to add the green. And we're going to try to pour it. Don't pour it all the way to the top because it'll get really hard too close to the rim and it'll get all wet. See how that's coming out pretty cool. It looks better than mine. First one I did. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some sequins. I just open the spout a little bit. If so, you can also pour it in a cup. Or have your parents help you pour it. So, okay, see, I'm already making a mess. Alright. Can't be perfect, right? Okay. Some of the sequences might be too big, so it's not coming out properly without opening. We'll just do the best we can. Okay. Oops. Alright, there you go. I'm going to add a little bit more glitter. Once we close it up, we're going to shake it. Maybe add a little more. If you think you need to add more, you can also use different color glitter. I'm using the silver one, so it'll be easier to see, to show you. Everyone has their own way of showing how the galaxy looks. This is my way. And some of the sequins that fell out, I'm pouring into my bottle. Pretty easy experiment to do, and quite fun. I'm having fun doing this. I imagine you will too. So make sure it's closed tightly. Let me move this out of the way. Let me get everything out of the way. So what we're going to now do, we're going to shake it. It might need a little bit more water. Not water, paint. Doesn't that look cool before I shake it? That looks awesome. Okay, so now we're going to shake it and it's kind of turn into like a... Oh, yeah. That's so cool. I'm going to add more paint to it. Let's see. I have still have a lot of the green left over, so I'm going to add green and maybe add more. Ooh, yes, that's looking so cool. Okay, maybe I'm going to add some. Okay, I'm going to add more glitter. because the universe has a lot of stars. I mean, so many stars you can't even count them. You think infinity is a lot? It's gonna be more than that. It's gonna go on and on and on. The universe is ever, and it's always ongoing. We're all experimenting with the universe still. We are learning that there are new planets out there. Maybe there's a few planet Earths out there in far, far away galaxies. That's how big the galaxy is. Really huge. We're just like a little speck. Earth is just a little dot compared to the whole universe. So, there you go. And here we have our little galaxy here. See, they come in different varieties here. That is so cool. Wow, this has been very fun experiment to work. I had fun doing this. Like I said earlier, I hope you do too. This craft is good for sensory as well. So thank you for watching my family night video. This is Mr. Robbie. Next week we are going to make glitter jars. This is another sensory job I'm doing. And it's going to look cool too. And this one we're going to be using, I got the stuff out earlier already. We're going to be using mason jars for this next craft for next week. And glitter, and there's glue, and a lot of other things I'll be using. So, tune in next week at Family Night. I'm looking forward to see any of your crafts. Hope you have fun, and I'll talk to you soon. Hope to see you guys soon. We all miss you. Stay safe out there. And Mr. Robbie saying, until next time, have a good evening, and have a good Thursday. Stay safe. Bye.